So I was going to be doing a video on these today, and it was also going to be doing a video on these at the end of the week. But we're in the middle of moving and renovation chaos. And honestly, it would not be a stretch to say that these two topics are going to be quite controversial. And if I'm going to get washed away with comments, I'd really just need some space to explain. So instead of all that, we're going to do what every YouTuber seems to do when they can't film what they want to, and we're going to fall back on a question and answer session. And the first question might be, can I get this filmed, edited and uploaded in 3 hours? And I would say probably not, but let's see. The most common question I ever get asked on this channel: where is this shirt from? This shirt is from Levi's Made and Crafted, from I think a collection that was done in maybe 2014, 2015. And I got it sometime after that. It's very, very worn in, it's falling apart, and you're probably never ever going to see it in the vlog again because my girlfriend's discovered that she looks much better than I do in it and is probably going to steal it. And next up, let's answer some of the questions that came in from the shout out that I did on Instagram a few days ago. First up, from Daniel. Yellow? Really, brother? But why don't you move your lazy ass up to Berlin and see for yourself? Next up, from Hacknog. Sorry if I'm not saying that right. Do you usually pair jeans with like your watch maybe? Are you keen on mixing and matching accessories? Accessories, for me, yes and no. I just don't really have enough of the ones that I really gravitate to really mix and match. I've got like a standardized set of accessories that I just wear every single day. So there's not really any mixing matching in there. I mean, I'd love to have a huge Rolex collection that I can mix and match and like choose like what is going to go with what denims or the outfit I'm wearing for the day, but I haven't won the lottery yet. If you can do something about that, then I definitely mix and match accessories. Having said that, I've just picked up a couple of new pieces from a friend of mine in Mexico, but more on that another time. Next up, denim alternatives. From Scott Brooks _1. Oslo New Yorkers or folk assembly pants? I think I'll have to go for the Oslo New Yorkers, for the only reason is that I've actually seen those in person. I've tried them on and they're a sick pair of pants. The folk assembly pants also look amazing and they're half the price, which could be a huge argument for going for those over the Oslos. But yeah, I'm a fan of what Oslo do. I've seen the pants, so I'm going to go for the New Yorkers. Mr. Toddy G, can you do a video on when raw unsanforized denim is the best? Like when they shrink perfect. Toddy G, I can definitely do that instantly. Like up in the corners, you're going to find that instantly. Because this Indigo Fira Fargo shirt that I did a video on a couple of weeks ago, it was unsanforized and it shrunk down from being way oversized to being the perfect fit for me. So yeah, just hop over to, actually it's 2 videos, hop over to those 2 videos and you're going to see an instance of when unsanforized denim shrunk down to being the perfect fit. Sorry if you mean jeans, I haven't got one of those yet. Joshua Headley, can we get more denim shirt content? I've got a few up there. I've got the one on this denim shirt, I've got the one on the Benzac linen denim shirt, and do I have anything else? Mate, if there's something particular you've got in mind, then just let me know and I'll see what I can do. And yeah, I just realised that my pants were full in frame, but deal with it. Zvikas 331, local skateboard or a branded one? Zvikas, I'm not really a skater, never really was. I would say that if possible, buy local if it's good quality. Basically buy the best quality that's possible. And if it's possible to buy the best quality local, then you should definitely do that. Alex Uruyu? Alex asked nothing, like absolutely nothing, which is weird. Right, Let Nicholas or Let H Nicholas. Nicholas wants to know, is there a denim brand you've always wanted a pair of jeans from but never actually got one? Yes, so many. Evisu, my favorite brand, my favorite denim brand. Never had a pair of jeans from them. I have a few jackets, never had a pair of jeans. In fact, I think out of all the Osaka 5, I've never had a pair of jeans. And that definitely needs to change. So yeah, Evisu, top priority. Pair of Denims from like back in the days, the ones that are super hard to get these days. What else? I'd love a pair of Roy jeans, like handmade by Roy Slapper over in San Francisco. Is he still going? Don't know. Have to check that. I'd love to try a pair of Ironhearts. I'd love to know what all the fuss is about. I think it's justified, but I've never actually tried it. I'd love a pair of Dawson Denims or maybe Black Horse Lane. I'd just like to try the British-made jeans. What else? Yeah, just so many. I mean, I've had a lot of jeans, but I haven't had all the jeans, and that needs to change. And following along pretty nicely from the previous question, Rough Denims, which is an awesome Instagram handle, by the way. Got the Benzak Samurais. Am I competing? No, I don't have the Benzak Samurais, and yeah, consequently I'm not competing. I really wanted a pair, but for some reason I didn't pull the trigger at the time and just missed out, which was dumb of me for sure. For the denim competitions, I don't take part in fade competitions for the one simple reason. I'm really fickle. I can't stick to one pair of jeans over a long period of time, which just means that like fading competitions and me don't really get on so well together. And also, like, especially with the Benzak competition, I mean, Len and I are really good mates, so I would never win anyway because I don't wear the jeans enough. And if I did win, it would look super fishy. So yeah, I prefer to be a bit of a denim slut and just dip in and out. Right, final question for today. Do fades come from wearing and not washing, or wear plus washing? I'm about the 6-month mark and I was wondering which will get me the best fades in the long run. In my opinion, which is I know controversial, I think that the best fades come from wearing and washing. I think you've got the best chance of getting the most contrasty fades when you do exactly what you've done. You've worn for 6 months and then turn them inside out, throw them in the machine at a gentle cycle, 30-40 degrees. That's just going to wash out the dirt and that's going to add to the longevity of the jeans. Obviously, the longer you can wear the jeans, then the better fade results you're going to get. So that's the best method that I've found for getting the sickest fades. And also, congratulations on making the 6 months mark, man. That's awesome. Right, if I'm going to stand any chance whatsoever of getting this video up in time, I better just sign off now and get on the computer, which is going to be more difficult than it sounds because the computer is in a drawer down there with a table in front of it, with a lot of stuff on the table, with a lot of stuff in front of the table. But I'll work that out in a second. Anyway guys, if you're interested in seeing what I was talking about at the beginning of this video, that should be coming next week, I hope. Definitely not going to be this week because I don't think I stand a chance of clearing out this chaos within the next week. And that's a good question, like, what am I going to do for Friday's video? We're going to see, well, let's see what I can pull out of my hat for Friday's video. Yeah guys, if you're into that, consider subscribing. If you've enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be great. It really does help the channel out. It's very much appreciated. And that just leaves me to say, guys, as always, I hope everyone is happy and healthy out there. Hope you're taking care of yourselves. I hope you're taking care of each other, and I'm going to see you in the next video.